Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we have here a battery operated forklift, 2-ton forklift from Yali. The brand is Yali. So basically it has a problem of not charging. The battery is not charging. So the operator says that battery is not charging even though he kept the charger overnight. So the battery charger is on, it is connected, but it is not charging. Can you show me what is the problem? I mean, what is the error showing now on the display?
When I finish my duty, then I put a charging, then it's good. Then today I close the charging, then again it's good, not problem.
Okay, so when we left it last after his duty, the battery indicator, the battery charge indicator, it has a 2 bar. So today, or this morning, after keeping it overnight, still it is on to 2 bar charge level. So we will going to diagnose and see what is the problem of this unit. Open the battery hatch. Under the seat, the battery is there. Okay. Okay, so there it is. This is a wet type cell battery. Connect the charger and let us see the indication using my kilometer or my voltmeter. I will check whether the charger is giving an output. So that is how to connect it, and then we turn on the power here. Okay, the indication is there. It says 0.1 amp. So to verify whether it is charging or not, we will use kilometer, ampere or ampere meter. But unfortunately, my ampere meter, as I said, unfortunately my ampere meter is only AC amp. So if I clamp it here, this is the charging point. Oh, it is showing. Okay, great. So it says here 9.8 amps. So it is charging. So we verified that the charger is okay. I thought my kilometer is only working for AC amp. It's also working for DC. So that means this is ampere meter for AC and DC, also AC and DC. Okay, so we verified that the charger is working. It is mentioning there at 3.7 ampere hour. Charging at 2 minutes and 9 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds. Okay, so what we will do now is we will going to check the system here. So what are the things to check? Basically the water level. The water should be verified and checked. Whether the battery is holding the charge or not. Now, how to check the battery? So basically, we have to test one by one all the cell. So it's like this, no? Here, one cell. This is how to check the battery water. So the indication Okay, so for this unit, how to check if the battery water is okay or not. So as you see here, this is on top. Okay, on top means this white indication, it is on the upper part, whereby if you compare here, this is below. So it's like a floater. When the battery level is low, this floater, the indication, it is also below or down. Like, look at this. This is down. Compared to this is on top. That means this battery water is full. So that is how to check the battery level or battery water level. Okay, so open the charger and see. Alright. Okay, power is on. Turn it off. Turn off the power. Then let us check why it is disconnecting. Okay, now check what the fuses there are on. Open the fuse here. Okay, so what we found is it is not continuously charging, as basically this unit is 3-phase. Okay, it has RYB, red, yellow, and blue. But in the connection here, the isolator, these are red, yellow, blue, and black neutral, but doesn't require neutral. So RYB, here it is connected to brown, gray, and black. So we consider this as RYB. Now we have to do the same connection here inside. So we will going to change the RYB connection as it affects the transformer connections. Okay, so we have switched the connection, the RYB. So basically this machine or this electric forklift is brand new. So because of this wrong phasing, the problem of non-charging or non-continuous charging happens. So we will connect the charger and keep it some time, and then we will come back whether this 2 bar becomes 3. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 bars. Okay, so connect again, disconnect this. And connect to the charger. Yeah, power on. It's mentioned battery connected, start off charging. It is charging, it's connected, and we will verify if the charge or the level increase after 1 hour.
so now it increases at one level after charging for half an hour. Okay, so after charging for a few minutes, I think 1 hour, no? 1 hour of charge. So now it says here 1 bar remaining,
Yes.
almost full. It's battery full. Okay, so that's the problem, no? The connection, the RYV, we interchange the connection. Wrong pacing. Okay, so that's solved the problem.